Hey, if you're checking out this slide lock for your garage door, let me tell you all the things you need to know before you get it. These are really designed to give you extra security to be able to lock your garage door so someone can't just reach down and push it up. And the way this simply works is this is the unlocked position. You see that your rail over here has different holes. You simply push this, it goes through. Now, if I try to lift the door up, that is locked. You can see it coming right through there on the other side. These are easy to install. It has a few different mounting holes right there, and you can simply just tap in and put your self-tapping screws right through, mount it exactly where you want it. Well, that's all you really need to know. If you want to have a little bit of extra security for your garage, you can manually lock it with one of these. You just have to simply push it like that or slide it over to unlock it.